Hey, what is up guys? It's the Michigan Minecrafter back here with another video. So today I just wanted to share with you guys some footage that I got where I was testing out this drone that I got for my birthday back in like 2013, 2014, somewhere back then. And for the last few years it's just been, oh, hi Riley. For the last few years it's just been sitting in my room because a few years back when I was trying to fly it, I ran into some issues where I couldn't take off because for some reason it would just like flip over when I tried to take off. And so I've never used it actually on this YouTube channel before to like get any footage or anything like that, but it's actually not very good for doing that sort of thing either because it's kind of an old drone. It's a Parrot AR drone 2.0 with a fixed camera on the front that only shoots in 720p. So it wasn't really good for getting any footage, but I wanted to test it out again because my neighbors next door actually just got a new drone that I'm pretty sure is from Parrot, which is the same manufacturer of my drone. And they wanted to take it flying sometime this weekend, which I'll be recording that too. But so I wanted to see if I could get mine working again so I could fly it this weekend as well. And as you'll see, I ran into some issues, but eventually I did figure it out. So enjoy. Alright, so after all those test runs, I come to find out that apparently all of the propellers don't go on in the same direction, which for some reason nowhere in the instruction manual or anywhere like on the drone or anything does it say that. I had to go online and look up this forum where people were talking about it, and this guy's saying that two of the propellers go in a clockwise direction and the other two go counterclockwise. So I went ahead and replaced all the propellers on there just so that if any of the other propellers were banged up and that was contributing to the problem at all, I could kind of eliminate those variables and make sure that it was just a problem of me having the propellers on there the same way. But yeah, they had like no labeling to say that there was a difference between them, so alright, time to go try it out. I think we should be good to go now, although one thing I'm gonna have to watch out for that was not the case back in 2014 when I first got this drone was a pond in the background, so I'm gonna have to watch out for that and probably come back here over the driveway so I can avoid landing in there. But alright, here we go. There we go. Alright, so it works. Now I gotta get the controls figured out again.